Well, hello again. We have literally nothing left here for snacks or breakfast. And this is what I have decided to bake. Milk bread, so soft and fluffy, but not sweet. And when you're already a senior, you're trying to avoid sweets. I have baked 2 loaves and this bread's gonna run up to 3 to 4 days already. It's really so soft and it quickly melts to the mouth. This is how pretty our bread is. And see the inside part. So if you wanna try this, guys, I have here the video showing the step-by-step procedures on how to do this, and as well as the ingredients. If you will try baking this, for sure, you will say thank you self later. So we continue mixing using our hands and applying a little pressure. And then add 1/2 cup of soft butter. Continue applying a little pressure while mixing. And then move the dough into a flat surface. Need about 8 to 10 minutes. Electric mixer can also be used here. When the dough is already as smooth as this, put it back into the mixing bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough is almost doubled in size. Just punch it to remove the air. I am using 2 baking tins, so I am dividing my dough into 2. So, flatten it using a rolling pin. Roll like a log or make a rag roll. And then put it inside the baking tin. Cut the roll using scissors, but this is just optional. Again, allow to rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 30 minutes, our milk bread is already done.